I'm Joan,
Harry.
and the world is our home.
Yes.
Come live with us as we travel.
Yes.
Canada, Sicily, Thailand, many places. Cooking is for guests is one of our passions.
Yes.
What do guests ask us?
What should we bring for dinner?
And what do we say? The answer is always
Wine is always
Always
good.
wine is always,
Always
good.
good. Today is detox day, and so it's Pellegrino from northern Italy. It's very good. Maurizio is a real good friend of mine from Sicily. He's a little older than I am, but he doesn't come from an aristocratic family. I don't come from an aristocratic family. I was born in Paraguay. But both our wives, Loredana, is an aristocrat, and so she won't eat heads. Joan comes from a long line of rhymers in Steinbeck in Manitoba, from an aristocratic family, so she won't eat them. But Richie, Joan saved these for you. But I think I'm going to have to eat them. And they are so
I
good.
saved them for Maurizio. But you will eat them for him.
Oh, they are so good. So spicy. That yellow curry? Maurizio, these are Maurizio hot. I'm talking hot.
They're good.
No.
Today with this marvelous soup and rice. Wow, it's so healthy. This is a soup broth made with curry, and it's a very healthy broth with a bit of flavoring from the shrimp heads. And the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, and yellow pepper. It's amazing. And then on top, sprouts and greens and bok choy. So you have the different flavors. You have the soup, spiciness of the soup, the cruciferous vegetables cooked, and then the raw on top. And then the rice, amazing.
Oh, that rice is also very good.
It's got the shrimp head broth with the curry and a little bit of a squeeze of a lime on there.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Ooh, really good.
Nice little Pellegrino from Italy.
Cheers.
We'll consider this a white wine today. Now look at this. Yeah, I turned it off. Sorry. Now I'm going to bowl it here. And then people can take out the heads if they want. Like this. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Look at all that juice in there.
Ooh, yum.
That's exactly what you like, right?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm gonna take, this is what, after the dish, you bowl it up, you put this on top, like this.
And that's a mixture of green lettuce and
Yes.
fresh.
It's just wonderful.
I think it's not a butter lettuce, but a green.
Yeah.
And
voila.
sprouts.
This is
Whoa,
what
whoa.
we're gonna put on the table. Isn't
Yum.
that amazing?
Yes.
A bit of lime. Oh yeah. No wine. No beer. Huh. That's a new one. But anyway, look at the rice is ready, Johnny. That just has to be bowled up.
Looks wonderful
Now look
and
here.
golden.
Yeah, you see how this is turning out? See how nice that yellow turns into there, like the yellow curry.
Yeah.
Now, in goes the veggies.
Right.
Okay, like this. Okay, so that doesn't take very long because it just takes a little bit of time.
Steam it a little bit.
Yeah, and I have a little bit of fish sauce in there. And I like the shrimp heads. And then at the end,
Get the flavors.
yeah, and then at the end, once this is
That just goes in at the end,
Yeah,
right?
maybe 3 or 4 minutes. This
Yeah.
one, 5 minutes maybe. Then this goes in.
So that's crispy. That's gonna
has
be
to stay
crispy at
crispy.
the end. Perfect. Ooh, that's gonna be good.
Today, making a nice little yellow curry rice. Oh, yes. I put a little bit of butter in there. And then here, this is going to be a Thai soup with leftover fish heads as a nice little stock. People can eat the fish heads or the shrimp heads if they want. But here are the cauliflower and a little bit of broccoli, a little bit of peppers, a little bit of bok choy, baby bok choy. And then these greens, the sprouts, are gonna go in after. It doesn't take very long. This is a soup that takes not much. And look at that view. Wow. The views here are amazing. Here, we're gonna sit down for brunch, a little bit of beer, and just absolutely enjoy the day.